Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of inequation. An inequality is a mathematical statement that shows the relative size of two expressions. It is written with symbols such as less than, this is the sign of less than, greater than, this is the sign of greater than, less than or equal to, sign of less than or equal to, this is the sign of greater than or equal to. These signs are used in inequation. Inequalities are used to describe relationships between variables and to model real world problems mathematically. Examples: x plus 2 is greater than 5 represents the inequality x plus 2 is greater than 5. This is the example of inequation. Y minus 3 less than 10 represents the inequality y minus 3 is less than 10. X square plus y square is greater than or equal to 25 represents the inequality the sum of the squares of x and y is greater than or equal to 25. 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 10 represents the inequality 3x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 10. Y plus 1 less than or equal to 8 represents the inequality y plus 1 is less than or equal to 8. These are the examples of inequation.